May profits be upon you. How you doing? What we're going to do is we're going to take a look at US dollar CAD. We're going to update the video I put out on the 18th, just a couple of days ago, right? Let's take a look. Let's take a how you do it. All right. Take a look. This is where I left you. But this diagram, and what I was saying was, all right, I gave you the top-down analysis. The higher time frames are bearish, right? And I was looking at this bullish leg of structure. And I said, I'm going to continue with this bullish momentum because it broke this zone of supply here. It broke that zone of supply. So it allows me to look for bullish setups. However, where I'm going with the order flow. This is the current order flow, but I'm going with the higher time frame structure. The higher time frame structure is bearish, and we're in a correction right now with this bullish movement. All right, we're in a correction right now, and I think it's only to facilitate a lower high to make a lower low to come and take these lows out, but that's beside the point. I'm letting you know this is what where the video left you, right? This is where I left it. That's where I left off. Here we are. And what I said was, if price breaks this low, that would indicate a change of character, all right, on the 4 hour, all right. And a change of character would mean what? That I could wait, especially if it broke that low. But if it breaks this low, then I'll look for the pullback to the last demand before that break of, the last supply before this break that caused the break of demand. All right, which would be somewhere around here. All right, I'll be looking for a higher probability setup to take it downtown, which would give me a head and shoulders. Got it? Pretty simple situation. That's when you switch. That's when you switch from bullish momentum to bearish momentum. You got to look what did the market give you. And you see this little arrow here? I'm looking for price to come down here. I look for price to come down here and swoop up, and so far it's doing all right. So this is where I left you, and here's how price progressed since I put out that video. All right, and boom, right, we violated this demand zone. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for a flip now. I am looking for a flip. I'm looking for something. I'm looking for a bearish setup because we have broken a zone of demand, and now we're down in this demand. All right, and we'll see how it ends up. See how it came up, came back down. All right, and we're going to this little bit of consolidation, and you got to expect that because that's what happened over here. So on this level, I am looking for a little pullback above or to the middle of this zone. If you look at this under that little area right there, that little wick area, this could serve as the zone of supply to take this trade down. But what I look at, what I try to find is the last zone above, this area. It could happen here, but and I'm going to look for bearish price action. I need the confirmations on the 15-minute. But see, this is the only color, the only candle that is a different color of the rest. It's not uniform. It's the only one, the only odd one. So that's usually where you find structure. So I'm going to look here as well. If price comes up here, gives me my bearish setups on a 15-minute, I'll take it. If it comes up here, which I expect, all right, which would make more sense because it would, this is the kind of flip that I usually see, not with it at the bottom half, But if it came up here, I'm waiting for it. All right. So we have a couple of zones to look at. Okay. Price gives us what we need here. We can take it. We can take that short here. No problem. Just don't be too eager here, because this is kind of aggressive, and price could use this high as incentive, inducement, to get people to take shorts early, only to have them come back, have the price come back and take them out of their trades by taking out the stop losses, and then going all the way up here, and then giving us our sell setup. Understand? So that's what I'm looking for. Either we get it here, boom, or we get it, yeah, which would be even better. This is the better and more high probability setup, even though it's a little doji here. I'm looking for it here. I'm looking for it here. So we'll see what happens. Price could come all the way up here now. It definitely could. All right, this would be a return to impulse. If it comes up that high, that's fine. But this one, we can get head and shoulders and everything. You know what I'm saying? It would be all pretty. But we have to go with what price gives us. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. And make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel. Hit that bell icon so that you can get the notifications, okay, for my updates, like the one that you're watching right now. Got it? All right. And make sure you leave a comment. Is USDCAD one of your favorite pairs? Why? You know what I mean? Why? All right. And are you looking for this sell setup? Do you agree that it's going to be a sell setup? Is it the end of the bullish order flow? Good question. I don't claim to know it all. I'm hoping to get this set up, and I'm only going to take it if the setup presents itself. Got it? All right. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.